Good morning to everybody. It is Monday, August 24th. And this is probably the single most catalyst loaded week of the quarter. But nothing happens today. We have a nice smooth Monday. Wednesday, we get NVIDIA earnings, core PC on the same day. Thursday is the Fed's Jackson Hole. That kicks off. That will be insane. And Friday, war speaks. Meanwhile, over the weekend, the Treasury Secretary wrote up an op-ed calling the coming Iran sanctions and economic D-Day. Talked about this last week. The single greatest financial offensive ever marshaled against an adversary. And then he gives details at a press conference this afternoon. So watch out for that. On top of that, U.S.-Canada trade talks broke down a bit. Futures are lower. NQ at minus 0.7%. ES minus 0.2%. Obviously, NQ, the worst of the group again. And this is the chart's doing exactly what we would expect ahead of a week like this. Price is sitting dead on pretty much the POC in this little pocket here, coiled with negative CVD. So watching this level for today. How's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. What's going on with gold? What is going on with gold? Let's hide that. That was weird little wick that we just got right here. U.S. Treasury expected to announce a broad scope of secondary sanction on country. Oh, all right. And like I just said, we get details about this during a press conference later today. So be ready to see what's going on. No news, by the way, today. New to futures. Hopefully, I can learn some stuff. Oh, you'll learn a lot. Hopefully, it's good. Stream froze. I don't know. Gold. Yeah, gold's been, I don't know. Look at gold, man. Look at gold. Oh, gold's crazy. All right, let's keep ES up right here. Man, I just closed the short because I didn't want to be short on stream. Damn, I should have waited. Or I should have left it. My original plan is waiting to get a retest of 300, but I don't know if we're going to get that now. Where's hosting streams and reboot? I don't know. Does it look like we're lagging? Looks fine for me. Maybe just refresh your guys' screen because it looks good for me. Anyway, let's get into it. So we got a lot to cover. A lot going on this week. So obviously going to be a lot to go through. Is 300 my value area low? 300. So this 300 area right now is Friday's value area low and last week's value area low. So they're kind of coupled together. So we have this little zone here that I'm going to be watching for the open. And then we're sitting the overnight POC and previous day low. We're literally almost the exact same level, 220 and 221.25. So that was a level that I actually, different account. I ended up actually taking a long, stopped out break even, and then I just entered a short, but then I closed it because I was like, maybe I'm jumping the gun here. Kind of want to wait and see if we get retest 300, but we'll get into that in a little bit. But yeah, I got you. Okay, audio's fine. Okay, good. All right, so who needs gold when the stream is gold? Exactly. Now, first things first. And then we'll get into some of the big news events. But over the weekend, Treasury Secretary, I actually looked up his name. It's Scott Bessent. I don't know why I couldn't think of his last name, but Scott Bessent. He wrote a financial op-ed basically talking about what's coming up for Iran in the coming days. His words, not mine. The measures will constitute an economic D-Day, the single greatest financial offenses ever marshaled against an adversary. He already vowed to create the greatest coordinated economic isolation in the history of the world. I mean, that's some serious language there. He is expected to reveal some details about it this afternoon in a press conference. So that is going to be a massive live catalyst. I have not seen a time yet. Just watch out for sometime this afternoon where market will get pretty crazy. We just saw a small piece of news come out about the Treasury basically talking more about their offensive financially. And we had a nice little 60-point move. So watch for that this afternoon because it's going to get kind of crazy. Now, Besant told CNBC at one point, if they're doing the if they're doing the max economic pressure, then that means that likely there won't be a large scale kinetic. I forget the last word he used, but it basically kinetic war, which is what he's saying is now they've gone from physical to more like cash and economics. So it's a trade-off, right? It's not escalation. So he's signaling that the economic war is starting instead of a return to large-scale bombing, right? So that lowers the tail risk of a shooting war that's going to shock oil back into 120 overnight. I want to make the observation that I'm wondering if the energy shock and disruption to oil is what's causing us to move to an economic front versus the bombing. But that ends up creating a different risk per se, because we're now squeezing the fourth largest OPEC producer's ability to sell oil at all, right? So less risk of a violent spike, but I think now there's more risk of a persistent drag in supply. And I think that's a real distinction to make coming into this, right? Second front, U.S.-Canada talks ended up breaking down, right? So over the weekend, U.S.-Canada trade talks failed. And then now there's reciprocal tariffs are now being threatened, right? So this is new headwind, has nothing to do with Iran, and probably part of why we're seeing futures drag off this morning. So it's the same theme, just kind of like on a different front. So the administration is using economic pressure as its primary tool pretty much everywhere right now, right? So tariffs will feed input costs will feed inflation, and inflation is the exact thing that's keeping long yields at these multi-decade highs. And so if we look at last week, I feel like it did some real damage, right? Like obviously, I think we closed green on Friday. Now that I think about it, remember. Based on the no, we did not close green Friday. Yeah, probably was that like slightly red. I mean, yeah. Wow, last week. I don't want to look at last week. That was such a shit show. But pretty interesting. Last week, NQ I think slid like a few percent. ES ended up snapping. You know, it was on a heater. Ended up going on a couple-day loss. We saw stocks across the board dip a little bit. Momentum stocks were down quite a bit. Mag 7, you know, as a group, they were pretty fine. Like it wasn't anything crazy, but still down overall in the week. But it was really hitting the board in semis, momentum, anything like long duration, because it has to do with long yields, right? And it's why NQ, it's pretty much why NQ is, again, the worst performer this morning. If we look across the board, obviously take out oil, but if you look to the right, ES 0.19, YM 0.09, R2Y 0.15, and then NQ 0.6. Just concentrated on everything under the sun with NQ. Small green inside bar. Okay, I don't know why I thought it was red. But this week is crazy, okay? So Wednesday, NVIDIA earnings, July core PCE, same day. We also get Q2 GDP, second estimate, personal income and spending, durable orders, trying to see if I can remember all of them off the top of my head. And then we have Salesforce, CrowdStrike, Okta, and there's another big one. Can't remember it. And then Thursday, Jackson Hole kicks off. More earnings. I think it's like TD, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, some others that don't really matter as much, at least for us, but just notable. And then Friday, War speaks at Jackson Hole. So that's going to be crazy. I think expectations are Wars to stay kind of like, so I'm looking for like tight-lipped on this policy path. But I've seen some key points been made across a bunch of articles this morning. So like any emphasis on Warsh's commitment to 2% inflation could help talk down long bond yields. Maybe, given that surging long bond yields have been the single biggest headwind on tech every month. I think that the speech coming up has the opportunity to be a little bit of a relief valve, not just like a policy update. Now, the bull case for Wednesday, this is what I saw on CNBC, that NVIDIA's results, excuse me, NVIDIA's results could be that positive catalyst that the market needs. Pretty much exactly because tech was the loser last week, right? I saw CNBC say that they're framing it as the path to S&P at 8,000. Pretty much same event, two different directions. I don't think people are going to commit today. I feel like today and tomorrow are going to be kind of shit. In all honesty, sorry, I'm stretching. All honesty, I feel like today and tomorrow are going to be kind of bad. This is a loaded week, but nothing really on Monday or Tuesday. If we come over to Forex here, at the chat up, ISM manufacturing PMI tomorrow, but then wait, what the hell? Oh, I was like, that is not right. Okay, so this is the press conference, 1 p.m. So, all right. This says orange folder, but just be very mindful because this is going to talk all about the details on the economic war that's about to be unleashed on Iran. So that's going to, what the hell's going on in my chair? That's probably going to be a little crazy. Tomorrow, nothing but consumer confidence. Then Wednesday, we have a plethora of news, all going to be big. Sorry, I'm trying to move my chair. Thursday, unemployment claims, Jackson Hole kicks off. Friday, war speaks, and Jackson Hole is hitting the ground. So crazy. Just crazy week. Wow, we are really battling on this POC Friday's failure or Friday's low. I did like the shorts before this. I just don't want to get in premature, have the market pump to where I plan on getting in, which is up here, and then it's just dumb. But where's that? I just really sidetracked myself. Yeah, I mean, of the four things we always talk about, if you go over geopolitics, we have economic D-Day. It's about to start. We're going to have the greatest financial offensive ever against an adversary. Details come out at 1 p.m. CST today. So please, if you're in a trade or looking to get in a trade, just watch Financial Juice or some kind of news outlet to see what Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says. See what happens. I literally couldn't even speculate what he's going to say. Trade wise, we have a new front. U.S.-Canada trade talks ended up breaking down with reciprocal tariff threats. So more economic pressure just on the north side. Rates, again, we're still near 30-year highs. The 30-year is still near 19-year highs. Everywhere across the world, we're seeing decade high yields. So watch for that. Warsh on Friday at Jackson Hole is going to be a big one. Kind of move the needle, maybe. We'll see. And then tech-wise, it's just NQ just getting smoked, right? Semis are getting cooked. Momentum's getting cooked. Mag 7's been doing okay. But NVIDIA on Wednesday is going to be a catalyst that moonshots NQ or I don't even know. I cannot wait for Wednesday. I think it's going to be crazy. What's the news? Tradeify was teasing on Twitter this weekend. I don't know. It's not like I'm going to say it. Yeah, Wednesday's going to be crazy. Good morning, Jet. How we doing? Short or long? I don't know. Just short and come back in October? Oh, shit. That's funny. Will Russia and China play along? That's a good point. Yeah, someone's confident, Trader X3. It is some big talk. I'm just catching up on some of these. Think you will flush all those shorts to the upside? I don't know. At least for me today, I'm going to be patient and a little defensive, right? I think that today and tomorrow are going to be positioning sessions, not one for conviction. For me, again, I've been it sounds crazy, but the SPUD has been very, very patient as of late. We have no major data, no major earnings today. The only catalyst that we have is Bessent's, is it Bessent or Bessent? I don't know. Bessent's afternoon press conference at 1 p.m. CST, which is on Iran sanctions. Everything pretty much that decides anything in the market doesn't land until Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we'll see, right? I mean, right now we're kind of sitting right on the overnight's point of control. This was Friday's low. I mean, the market's going lower because of all the things that are coming out, specifically U.S.-Canada trade talks breaking down, more threats on, financial war in Iran, and the fact that rates are at all-time high. I mean, like, there's a lot of things that could be moving the market down right now, but it hasn't had anything drastic, which is kind of why I'm a little perplexed. We're making higher lows here. We're kind of grinding back up. CBD's been grinding back up. That's what this is, by the way. I should probably put a little label. And so we'll see what we're going to do today. I mean, realistically, what I'm looking at, we're dead on the overnight's point of control. So for me, this is a no trade zone right now. Pretty much inside the fattest part of the volume profile. And then it's also, Friday's low. So I think that's the market telling me it's at fair value right now. Not like a fair value gap, but volume wise. So this high volume node is where I'd expect price to kind of stall and chop around. This is a there's like shit keeping my chair from moving forward. There we go. Poor entries on high volume nodes, but good places for stops, right? So there's no trade here for anybody or for me, if anybody's asking me long or short. Not because like I am short biased, but it's just there's nowhere I put a stop, right? And I'm not getting an edge. I'm not gaining an edge here, fair value, right? Obviously CVD is pretty deep negative. I don't know why that just disappeared on me though. There it is. Or maybe it was always here. I don't know. CVD is deep red, having it restart each session from 0. And so with the trend and CVD, I'm seeing shorts, right? If I'm taking a continuation trade today, the flow is leaning to the downside. And it kind of looking at this kind of tells me like what a long needs to prove. So for me, if flow disagrees with a price reclaim, then I'll trust the flow and kind of stand down. A long off the lows today is, for me, again, not valid on price alone. I would need to see CVD divergence first. Price basically making a new low while CVD refuses to confirm that. And that's the exhaustion tell for me. Without divergence, a bounce off previous day low is just a bounce, and I'll watch that run 500 points and not care. So obviously just taking a quick peek at go long and send my money. When GC 5K, it's funny. The CVD, you could just vibe code something. I literally just vibe coded this all in Claude. TradingView actually released it earlier this year. I didn't even know because I didn't really care. I mean, that's why. But apparently they released earlier this year. You can get like actual order transaction details. So there's a certain I don't know what you call it. If it's a command or I actually don't even know what it's called. I don't speak that kind of talk, but there's something that you can do, but from what Claude's told me, that you could pull like order confirmation details within TradingView. It needs a premium or ultimate subscription. I think I have that. I have no idea, but it is on. So I have CVD just restart every session, and it does match up with what I used to get on Addis, which I don't need because I really just needed it for CVD. So now I just have Bookmap and this. But anyway. So looking above, this level is what I'm more interested in here is this previous week value area low and previous day value area low. Pretty much together at 295 to 307. So we have this nice little zone. These are okay. So for me, these are two value area lows stacked literally like 10 points away from each other on two different time frames. So prior day and prior week, both agreeing on the same price is what I would call a big level here. And this would be the only place I would take a counter trend entry, right? So sitting, I don't know how many points this is, like 80, 90 points. Yeah, about like 80, 90 points above. Broken value area lows become resistance, right? So this is where the rally should fail if sellers are still in control. So that's going to be where I am looking for a trade today. My idea would be, obviously, with trend continuation, CVD is negative. We're below yesterday is in Friday. We're below Friday's value. And the levels above are broken value area lows, now turning resistance. So the flow for me is confirmed. I'm going downside, right? I would be fine, and I would want to see a rally up into this 295, 307 zone. Either poke through it, tap it, whatever, and then close back below on the 5-minute. Then on that close below, and that's the thing too. I've been debating. I'm not going to go off topic, but I've been debating going from 5 to like 4 or 3. Because sometimes I miss some of these moves on 5, or the stop's like really wide. So anyway, get that closure back below, enter, and then put the stop above the wick. That's kind of my plan. If we just get a nice, the good thing is with like some of like the VP stuff is these wicks are pretty tight, right? So like I'm imagining we get like, hopefully we're gonna get a crazy move right off of it. But if we get a wick into this like little bit of almost a low volume node, but like kind of like it. Low volume node would be this, but if we can get like a 20 to 30 point stop, enter somewhere, below previous week's value area low, I won't wait until 295. But if we can get back below somewhere around here, get like a 30 point stop, then we could take this all the way down to the overnight POC, previous day low, about 75 points. But I'd want to see overnight value area low and more of a flush. So my target would be 180 to 200 plus points. That's kind of the trade idea that I'm having set up for today. We'll see if we even get that rally. If we don't, then I'm going to have to take, I'd have to end up taking a short down here, which I really don't want to. Like, I would also take, whatchamacallit, let's say we come back up and we fail, like if we get up to this level and we fail to come back below and close below, I'm okay taking longs, right? But it has to like really prove that it's holding this level and not just faking me out. What else? I'm not going to take anything right here. There's just no way. We're just sitting at this level. Originally, like if we were staying up here, it'd be either this or this, but I can't use this because we're just sitting here, right? Like, I want to target down the value area low. So if we were like chopping around here, then if we were chopping here and we came down to here, then I could look at a sweep and long, or we hold below and we go further down. However, we're not. We're sitting right at this level. So I don't want to touch this with a 10-foot pole. I'm going to wait until we come down to value area low from the overnight session or up into this key level that I think is going to be hit. If it plays out, we'll see. But I'm taking it light because I don't like today and tomorrow. I probably won't even trade the live account. Probably just trade my fundeds. So, yeah. What else? Yeah, pretty much it for what I'm looking at. Yeah, this is a wait and see morning for sure. I'm just 5 coding this. It's not like an actual indicator or anything. It is, but it's not. You can't get it. How am I seeing CVD on TradingView? I pretty much just had Claude build me a CVD tool. TradingView allows you to see actual order flow details now, which is sick. This is just, I don't know. This is just something I made with Claude. What's the light goal? A shit ton. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Again, reminder, 1 p.m. today, we're getting the press conference on details for this economic war with Iran and how big it's going to be. Wednesday, NVIDIA, core PCE, NVIDIA earnings and core PCE, GDP, consumer spending, etc. Thursday and Jackson Hole kicks off, and then Friday War Speaks. Or wait, Thursday Jackson Hole kicks off, Friday War Speaks. So get ready. Going to be crazy. I think if like looking at this right now, like I said, I think this is a positioning couple days. Today, tomorrow might be a little, not good. But for me today, what I'm looking at is the POC is the market's own definition of fair value, right? And fair value is where you have no edge. And that's where price is sitting right now, is on the overnight POC. So this is not anything I want to touch. This is where the most contracts are changing between hands right now. Buyers and sellers are agreeing right here. And I think agreement is, I could orator on this. Agreement is the opposite of opportunity. Fuck, that's good. That's good. Okay, so that's why I don't want to do anything here. You don't get paid trading where everybody thinks the price is right. You get paid at the edges, and pretty much where somebody finds out that they're wrong. And so I'm not going to take anything around here. I'm not taking anything at this level. Just look at it. It's just building and building and building. The open's going to be pretty intense, whether we get the flush to the downside or move to the upside, we'll see. Hard part is the level I want is very close. It's about 80, 90 points. We could see that really fast on the open. And so that'll kind of also decide whether or not I even take that, because if we get just a straight rip right through, I'm not going to take a 70, 80 point stop if we do get the reclaim below. So this could be a day I literally just sit and not do anything, and that's okay with me. So that's the thing that you all have to go into today, is if your plan does not show up, who cares? If your model does not show and you don't take a trade, who cares? Scroll and see other people's P&Ls on IG. Who cares? That'll make you feel better maybe. But I'm okay not taking a trade. You should be okay not taking a trade. Wait for your model and be patient. So that being said, it's time to get into the opening bell battle, where arguably the Spud won't listen to anything that this Nick said and will let emotion take over. So anyway, Godspeed, God bless, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
First of all, going long. You think prices will go up, so you buy first and sell later.
The mistake people make is picking what sounds impressive instead of what actually fits their trading style.
Let's start with the basics. What type of account am I actually trading?
Do you want to learn more about trading but scared to risk your own money?
Let's talk about the 3 most important numbers you need to watch in Tradeify.
At Tradeify, we believe traders deserve a better way to trade. No endless evaluations, no unnecessary barriers, just a direct path to capital. Built for real traders who want to focus on what matters most, the next trade. With instant funding, you're not waiting weeks to prove yourself. You're working to get payouts from day one. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. If you can trade, you deserve real opportunity. We built Tradeify to give traders funded capital without the delays, complications, or fine print. Our advanced trading journal tracks every detail of your performance, giving you the insights you need to consistently improve. When you trade with us, you control your profits. We take on the risk that holds most traders back, because that's how funded trading should work. Trading is hard enough. You need a partner who provides the structure, the speed, and the support, so you can stay focused on execution. Confidence comes from knowing you have capital behind you and a firm that moves as fast as you do. This is Tradeify, funded trading built for real traders.
And we
Hey,
are back.
bro.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Spud. Good morning, Tony in the background. Everybody, you know what? We haven't done this in a while. Everybody, put a W Tony in the chat because
That's
he
right.
crushes it here as the producer every single day. Oh, now I wrote Tony with an E. Lul. Anyways, W Tony. And good morning, chat. Put a big fat one in the chat if you're ready for this week. Put a big fat one in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Put a big fat one in the chat if you want to wish the Spud a happy birthday, because it's his birthday today. So happy birthday, Spud. And speaking of the Spud, let me introduce you to the one and only golden looking. DP trading, definitely not gambling, never DCing, deep frying, MOC slapping, X giveaway code, Sender King, ketchup throwing, sitting, easily baited 3 times, fatty patati, sample abusing, cattle mashing, napping, controlling, bottom, quick, zero, trading, overpaying, justifying, arbitrary, destroying, shirtless, clubbing, ASCF, movie loving. Also trading, 100-point trade taking, Surge boy, yep. I mix those up, doesn't matter, not indeed spinning, big 7 speed winning, IT support working, definitely not some trading, Luna presenting, labadabading, non-gap for strat trading, white shell, cycle fast, and surge, strat, expert, master, Pokemon car pack, ripper, who rocking, driving, reverse, the most beautiful potato, master of deception, ripping bamboozer, the Grand Cup half finalist, Miami pole dance king, world's most famous DJ, doctor, professor, newlywed, birthday boy, Lord Sputnik. Good
What's
morning.
good, mother truckers? Happy Monday, everybody. Hopefully, if you're at work, your volume's down. You have earphones in. Your kids are
Hey,
watching.
We got so many people in the chat wishing you a happy birthday. That's amazing.
Oh, thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Have you had a good birthday so far?
Yep, very much so. I got a spoka cooking up. Got my chia seeds getting ready to be eaten. We're ready to grind.
Nice. Well, I saw some people in the chat ask before if I'm in a long. Yes, I am in a 1 micro long still from 29 198, but I've been in and out of trades the entire morning since before London session even. So I'm just continuing the work there. What are you looking to take today? Because this other Nick said some stuff, but I know the Spud likes to ignore it. So what are you actually gonna do?
Yeah, the other Nick sucks. Well, he had some fair points. I don't want to take anything here. I am short biased, but I'm fine respecting a little bit of a move up. I want to see 295, 307 get tapped, and then I would look for the downside. As long as the downside presents itself and volume slows down and we see it start to turn around, I will not be limit ordering and chasing at 307 or 295. So,
Okay.
But I do want to see it go up that high. That's kind of what I'll be targeting for anything today.
All right. Well, let's see.
What about you? What are you looking for? I know you're long already, but
yeah, I mean, right now I'm just working this range. I'm in from 29 198, and I'm looking to take this off at 29 263 and a quarter if we could get up there. Well, it really depends how the market opens at 9:30. So
okay.
Yeah, for now I'm just in that trade, and I'll have to see how it opens to see if I can get a lower entry or it's finally gonna go higher again. Man, this last week it's been brutal.
Yeah, it's been
lower
every time. I mean, like Friday, that ended up working out. Did you?
Yeah, Friday was different.
Yeah. But yeah, this
did you do the opening play on Friday?
Yeah, we got rinsed in like 15 seconds. They wanted they wanted a long.
Oh.
But that's okay because I ended up taking a big trade overnight. Not obviously I took it on the wrong account because I took the opening play, but they ended up getting them. They gave them like a 6K buffer, so they just lost 1,000.
Okay.
So they're okay.
Ursula, good morning. Haven't seen you in the London session today. Who is in a trade, chat? Who is in a trade? Let us know. Are you in a trade? And if so, what are you trading?
Abo was sending it in the bag. Hell yeah. Thanks, Rich.
What's Rich saying? I don't see Rich.
Crashed. Rich White, 2485.
Are you in live chat?
Always.
Such a stupid setting.
I know. I don't know why it always goes to top chat. Like there needs to
It
be a
makes no
way that
sense.
you can like configure that to always go to live.
It actually makes no sense. Stupid. Enzo says long MQ from 29,087. Nice. That's a good entry.
Nice.
Let's wait. So you've been in this for a while. You've been in this. That doesn't even make any sense. Price didn't even hit 29,087. When did you enter this?
What the hell?
Are you saying 187 maybe? Otherwise, you've been in this trade for a while now.
Yeah, for like weeks. Oh, it's funny. I mean, looking out at the daily, like this is the question that we prompted last week, which is, do we end up coming back down to the top of this trend below 29K and see a little bit lower, or do we get the rally? I think it's gonna. I personally feel like this week's gonna be shit until Nvidia on Wednesday, and then we're either catapulting 1,000 points up, or we're getting smoked and dumping. So like I low-key want to get like some super cheap out of the money calls on QQQ for Wednesday.
How often do you trade options?
Literally never, and I continue to just lose when I trade. So
Okay, wait. Just logically speaking, why you continue doing it then?
because one of these days I'm gonna hit big.
Well,
I mean, these are super expensive. Never mind. We're gonna wait till Wednesday and then we're gonna send it.
well. Guizaki, you're still in one micro from Asia? Nice.
Fire.
Short? Short or long? By the way, overnight range total 364 points, which for short-term memory is a little bit bigger than usual. Mid-term memory, it's smaller, and long-term memory, huge. Almost. Almost
morning,
insane
Tyler.
level. Almost insane level. Not quite. 40 points away. Tyler,
Ooh.
what's up? Oh, my trading view just crashed.
My fellow option loser together. How we doing, Tyler?
But he can't trade options either.
Nah, we both tried and we've both failed. I mean, granted that was an earnings option that we thought was gonna cook, but wasn't looking too hot.
Tyler was good in here. I mean, everything's good.
Everything's good, baby.
Yeah, how was the game? You went with Brett to a game I saw. How was that?
Yeah, it looks sick. No, Spud is go, bro.
Jonathan, what's up?
You morning. Short from your TP.
Good morning. High stakes trades. Morning, Andrea.
Nano contracts went live. I saw that the fees were high though.
And the volume is obviously still very low on nanos. From what I saw.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even look at that.
Are you planning to trade nanos?
No. I saw that the fees were kind of shit.
What are the fees on nanos?
So for the, let's see, full contracts. So for the free plan, it's 40 cents round trip, and micros are 78 cents round trip.
Yep.
So it's kind of booty, no?
Yeah.
Like 40 cents,
I mean, if
isn't
you
it? Like
think about the fact that it's worth 10 times less than a micro.
yeah, it's worth
Or like
20
that it
cents
moves,
a
that it
point.
moves 10 times less than a micro. Like it moves the same, but the value is 10 times less. Then yes, of course.
You need literally 4 points, or no, sorry, you need 2 points to even break even.
Because that way it's like 5 times more expensive than micros in relation.
Yeah, no, you're right, exactly.
Are you guys more likely to trade nanos or single stock futures? Definitely more likely to trade nanos than single stock futures.
Yeah, probably nanos.
Me.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh,
you
unless
have traded single
we can
stock futures, no?
Yeah, and I lost $50 because spread is shit. Because nobody trades it. Unless though we do the single stock futures for earnings. Because imagine, I mean, I guess you wouldn't have. Well, now you see, I'm very intrigued to see when we come out with single stock futures, what the leverage will be. Like, how many can we buy?
I don't
Because
know.
we could make some cash on earnings. Because like if it was like Nvidia, and you straddle it, and then earnings come out, and that thing goes up like freaking, 20-30% or even 10%, like, we can make a killing. All right, the new dawn of getting a little goofy on futures is about to come out. So whenever we end up releasing that, yeah, we could lose.
You're always finding a way, huh?
Always finding a way. Always.
Okay, let's see what the opening play poll says. It currently says 63% long, 64% long, 36% short. Looks like you're going long today. Also, we haven't said a like goal yet. Currently, we are sitting at pathetic 201 likes. Let's make it 303. Once we reach 303 likes, we're gonna run a giveaway. How about that?
All right.
Because London delivered again with 1,300 likes on the stream.
Oh my gosh, dude! New York, figure it out.
Actually,
like that's crazy. We can't be getting. We're getting mogged by London, and you guys are just accepting it, and I can't even do anything about it. So.
Well, we're still due to run the test with what happens when Celine comes on New York, because I'm on London and we get the likes, but I'm also on New York and we don't get the likes. So it must be Celine.
That's true.
So according to her, I asked her when she's going to come on as a guest in New York stream, and she said Wednesday. So let's see.
All right, everybody, make sure you're not. All right, putting this out there now. Don't like the stream Wednesday. Dislike it. Send it to the floor. If she gets that on her ego, it's game over.
Brutal.
Mocked by India. That's funny.
Violet says London straight the best. Hey, look.
Yeah, look
so
at
far,
New York getting taken over by London right now.
So far, the results say so. Yes, but we'll find out.
Unbelievable.
Jonathan says, Spud, shall we have a bet? Do you feel lucky?
I'm always feeling lucky, dude.
What's your proposal, Jonathan?
Yeah, what's the proposal? Let me hear it. Yeah, more Mickey Mouse.
Wait, what's up with Mickey Mouse?
BMW, I'm hot, dude. Come on. Look at the Spud.
Jonathan says, I bet you a pizza, Spuddy. What, a pizza for what?
All right. Pizza for what? Down. Wow, this man's getting a lot of pizza. He keeps winning his bets. Oh, dude, this long's got me nervous for the open. All right, 1,000. Okay.
Okay, he says Wednesday we smash the likes when Selena's on compared to what you get.
Yeah, but you guys are all spiteful. I know you would just smash the like button just in spite of us.
How many likes did you get on Friday? Do you remember?
No, but I can look. It better be.
Well, but you can't look at like the first 3-hour segment.
Oh. I can't.
Because
in that case, I have no idea.
Overall, obviously, we get more.
What do I base the VP? I take from multiple levels, but this is the overnight session volume. I think I have it set to overnight, actually. Let me check.
It looks like you're going long today.
I know. Uh-oh.
You don't sound happy about it.
I mean, I do want the rally up, so I guess that's okay. But the hard part is this is where the whatchamacallit, if we end up rallying up, because I would take the long at like basically if this holds like 217, 215, I need 315, 317, and that's where I wanted to end up shorting. So I might have to, depending on what we do up there, I would have to maybe flip to my other accounts and short. Actually, let me pull those up on the side over here in case I get that opportunity. Okay, let's do this. MNQ. Okay.
That's pretty clear. 64%. That's long.
Guys.
Likes are currently at 290, so we need 13 more likes for the first giveaway. We can do that. We can hit 13 more likes.
Yeah, we can do that. You guys can do 13.
I have to.
If you can't do 13, I'm gonna freak out.
Imagine it just stays at 290.
If it just stayed there, I did that. They totally.
The rest of the entire day, we're at 294. So 9 more, chat. Then we're gonna run a giveaway. But you might need to come up with a keyword because we just hit it. So chat.
Boom. All right.
For this first giveaway, the rules as usual are: you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once Spud gives you the keyword, you type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Now we're gonna do an express kind of giveaway. So Spud, after like just 30 seconds, just pick a winner.
Okay.
Let's do it quick.
All right. Down.
All right. What's the keyword?
All right. Keyword is, if we don't hit 1,400 likes today, no givey. All right. Type it once, not twice. Count down from 30.
And that's literally the givey keyword. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. You got 20 seconds. Like 15.
Wouldn't even have thought that there's enough space in the Nightbot for that
It
keyword.
literally is the last character. I couldn't do giveys. I had to only do givey. 3, 2, 1. Bada bing, bada boom. Frenchie Trade. Congratulations.
Frenchie Trade 73. Type something in the chat. Everybody who's still typing the keyword, you can stop. It's not going to do anything anymore. This was an express giveaway.
Express
Frenchie
giveaway. I like
Trade.
that.
Yeah,
I like the
because
express
then
giveaway. It's
you don't
kinda
get
fun.
the stupid bots. You only get the people who pay attention, you know?
Yeah, true.
Frenchie, where are you?
Frenchie.
Joshua says, I think I accidentally spelled the damn thing wrong. Just copy paste it.
That's actually really funny. Unless they're on mobile, they can't.
That's true. But even then, you could technically screenshot it and copy it from the screenshot. Frenchie says, lul. Okay, Frenchie, we see you. So now let me go and spin the magic wheel to see what you might win. Bang. You, sir, get a 100k growth account. Nice. 100k growth account. All you got to do to receive that account is you have to put your email address in your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email. We're going to be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Didn't you just recently win? I have that feeling that he just recently won.
If he did, he's the GOAT. So that's nuts.
Because I went to his YouTube channel and I was like, I've seen this profile picture before. So I think he recently won. Anyways, market open is in 8 minutes. Oh, he says I won last month. Yeah, then you are the GOAT. Very lucky. Very, very lucky.
Yeah, dude. Nice job.
Brett says, let's run it again now. We got to hit the next like target first. We are currently sitting at 414 likes. So we need at least 577. At 577 likes, we're going to run a second giveaway.
Okay. Remember, we had to hit 1,400 today. Or no giveaways for tomorrow. Huh.
You know what's crazy? When I joined the London stream, Selena's already been going for an hour. So when I joined, the like goal for the first giveaway of the day even is usually 600-ish. So New York is getting the second giveaway before they hit 600 likes, and we don't even do one before 600. That's crazy.
Wow.
Yep.
It's insane. All right.
Yeah.
All right. We're changing up tomorrow's pre-market session. If we don't get as many likes as people watching, then we're just going to cancel the show for the day. You heard that? Lock it in.
I'd have to lock it in.
These freaking guys.
Oh, what's happening?
Huh.
Gibran says people are more desperate in London session. No, they just like you hit the like button more than you do.
Yeah. Yeah, should always been. It's like New York Madonna babies. That's funny. Yeah, chat is always long bias. I don't know if do we ever get shorts out of the opening play?
Yeah.
We do?
Yeah, you do.
Shit. You guys better be right. I'm not giving back another bando. We have to figure this out. Lock it in.
We'll replace the like button with a Trump picture and everyone will like it. I'm not sure about that, Gibran. Not sure if that would work.
Which pair is this? NQ?
Well, it seems like the guy is a currency trader. If he's asking for a pair, I don't know.
Oh.
But what I do know is that we have somebody else join us today for the New York stream. Well, not just today, but as usual. It's the one and only future slaying, matcha drinking, self-wheeling, hawker walking, stranger hogging, Slack notification heading, do not disturb mode, forgetting, phone buzzing, bottom, tick, loving, rap battle, killing, non-official Disney princess, Vegas scene, the gambler, rabbit, bible, gobble, gobble, world traveler, cinnamon stick, Himalayan salt, coffee drinker, marathon training, plain holding, voice losing, all-time high hitting, on the journey to Club 33, being karaoke singing, 50-minute cheesy trading, sometimes blondie, rock, paper, scissors champion, watermelon juice sipping, 4M gym club member, intro practicing, feet dangling, market making, ART watching, tech issue queen, crisscross, no loss, unky hunky, that girl in the middle, unplugged camera lady, aggressively typing, not YT wearing, goil trading, stream setup changing, mecha chameleon artist, professional disco player, Mickey Mouse impersonator, curly trader, Matcha Mommy, Fat Shorty 89.
Damn, Unk, I didn't know you were this cool.
Hey, yo!
Hey, yo! What is happening? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. How are we doing?
Happy Monday.
I heard we're going long. Is that the move?
That's what the
chat wants me to do.
Goodness gracious. Do we ever go short, chat? Is that
That's what I asked.
Is not a thing? I'm like, come on. What are we doing?
Did you go short in the overnight?
I did trade the overnight, yes, and I did go short. I didn't catch like anything crazy, just maybe like 40-ish, 50 points. But yeah, we're chilling, starting off the day to go into this Monday. So I'll share my charts here for just a couple minutes before we end up opening. We are in bearish territory that I can see. So we have failed to do a lot of things as bulls last week. I'm not going to go deep into it before the open here, but this 743 level was a key area for me all week last week. And we were not able to really sustain up above that level. So going into this week, there are some key areas that I would look for bulls to try to hold, but I will be looking for shorts throughout the week if we cannot sustain above key levels. So the key level I'm looking for, this 28,996, down here, this blue line that you can actually see, we technically broken below this gray area, which is a demand zone for me. So this is the 4 hour I'm looking at. So for today, what I'd be looking for is failures above 326 up to 370. If we continue failing above that, then I would be looking for engaging in shorts down to pre-market low and this 996 area. If we break below 996, we have the 800s, and then we have down to the 28.4s and 28.3s. So that's what I'll be looking for across the rest of this week and today. For ES, I'd be looking for failures to get above 76.87 and this 76.90. So 76.90 from last week for me was also a key area. We failed multiple times. So I will be looking for shorts below that coming into today. So we got a little pop here coming into 2 minutes before the open. So I'll be looking for that on ES, and then continuation through like 658, 650, pretty much every 5-point increment on ES, 10 to 5-point increment. So that's kind of what I'm looking for going into today, but I'm going to be extra careful just because I kind of took my trades for the day. So I'll wait to see if we get up here and then look for shorts.
Nice. Let's ride.
Right.
Let's do it.
Let's see. 1 minute and 23 seconds till market open.
Wow, I did that pretty quick. I thought I had way less time.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Bookmap right now, I don't really see much on it, but we'll see when that develops. The psychological bigger areas typically will have orders. So like 300, 200, every 50 to 100 points on NQ usually has a level. So see, might be a little crazy morning to start off.
We got a crazy week. NVIDIA PC on Wednesday, Jackson Hole, War Speaks Friday. Gonna be nuts.
Yo, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
And Nano's launched today.
Oh, nice.
Mary's like, oh, I'm not gonna trade that.
Oh, I will not be trading that. I might just give it a go one day just to check it out, but see. I kind of do want the longs right now just to pump up to that area and then short.
Which area are you looking for again?
Like 320 to 370.
5 seconds.
Bada bing, bada boom. We're in from 235.75. Stop at 135.75. TP at 335.75. That's right.
Nice.
Right.
That's in Vav.
That's like an auction house.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Do they even want to get up there?
Dude, I mean, my entry is literally the... Oh, my God. It's so bad.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Yo!
Oh, my gosh. I'm telling you, chat, do you ever short? Just once.
Why does the chat never short?
That's funny. Just straight friggin' red candle. Let's see if we can break pre-market low or sweep, because we might sweep that level or not even get down there and start rocketing. This is the area, starting area 150, and then pre-market low down there.
Oh my gosh, we're out.
Goodness.
Wow.
Are you gonna get stopped out?
I'm already stopped out. That is insane. That was less than a minute. That was 57
quick.
seconds. 57 seconds. Way to go. 40 seconds was your first, I think, the worst shit trade we've had. But that is diabolical.
That is diabolical. I don't even know how else to explain it.
Why'd that go up?
I don't think that was your
That is
quickest one, but
crazy.
definitely not the best.
It was quick.
Oh my god.
It was very
so
quick.
Fast. Wow.
I'm telling you, I don't trust these longs. I don't trust these longs at all.
Freaking chat.
Crazy word.
Yeah, it seems like the chat wants Spud's count to implode.
Self-sabotage at its finest. Oh, goodness. Well, there's that sweep.
Yeah. Yeah, sweep of my stop.
Was that a bottom pick?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Nah, not quite now.
Like another 15 points. Otherwise, I'd be more frustrated because that would make me really mad.
There.
Kind of crazy.
But it wasn't, so.
Oh man. Happy Monday.
Yeah, I guess that's your birthday gift from the market, bud. Happy birthday.
Birthday gift.
Yeah,
Crazy.
seriously.
I saw someone in the chat said I'm fading chat.
Yeah, smart.
I was gonna say it, and then I was like, that's probably not smart.
I mean, I stopped fading the chat because when I do and I'm wrong, they get all angry at me. So,
we don't want chat angry.
No, we can't have chat angry.
ES is still kind of holding up here, but NQ definitely the weaker one. What's SPX doing? Gap down on SPX. Literally, SPX gap down, filled another gap from prior week, and now is continuing lower. All right.
Wow.
Okay.
Big 5-minute candle.
Yeah. Wow.
What's
What
like
sold off this morning?
Yeah, that is a huge 5-minute candle. Starting to break here.
Micron,
yes, could
AMD,
try.
Intel.
Oh, are those holding or breaking?
Dumping. So semis are taking a hit.
I would see ES. ES has some demand below, like between like 670 and 664. So there are some orders also sitting on Bookmap, like right at 664, 665. So if we start getting traction below those levels, then I will be looking for shorts. I just wish we kind of moved higher before.
Yeah. I wanted to short if we got to 295, 307 was my level for shorts. And then we just literally had like 5 points up at the open and then insta dump.
That's super annoying when they do that, honestly. Because now I'm like, all right, I hate shorting down here, but at the same time, yeah, like that's always such a predicament I have. Like, damn, I wish we would have just gone crazy. I would have lost it.
Wow.
Okay. I hate when I have to confirm a login from my phone onto my computer.
Oh, it's so frustrating.
Did it together. All right. Getting my account ready.
Getting ready to fire.
Really, yeah. I'm like, all right. Which puts do I
It's a
want?
big first 5 minutes. I at 243.75 down to 82.50.
Yeah, that's true. Pretty crazy.
160-ish points. Very good open.
Holding.
Dang.
NQ.
Now I want to push up into like, I want to push up on NQ up to like 188 and then fail. On ES, I want to see it closer to like 76, 75 and then fail. Look for shorts there. Like holding this demand zone for me is still sus.
Mm-hmm.
Sus.
Yes.
All right.
It's pretty interesting here.
We're just hanging out
Wait,
around the market low.
Yeah, that's like 142 levels what I'm looking for. I did not want to. This is literally what I talked about in the morning. I did not want to have to take a continuation short if we just started ripping down. Like, I wanted it to go much higher first.
I know.
This kind of sucks.
I'm with you.
Let's see if it holds here or not. We'll find out soon enough.
What's the light goal for today?
Well, the second one is 577. We're sitting at 501, so easy.
Easy peasy.
But on Wednesday, we test the theory if we get more likes when Selena's on. She's going to join the New York stream.
No way? Heck yeah.
Allegedly.
What do you mean allegedly? Why wouldn't she?
Not confirmed yet.
Oh. Well. That'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that. I love swimming. Oh, yes. What are you going to do here? Feels like they're setting up for another leg, but I'm also not trusting up this area.
I want to see this break the lows. I feel like we could see sub 29K if we get ES to break down below 64. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
yeah.
there it comes.
Dump it.
There it comes.
Oh, that was dirty.
Yeah, let's below 29K.
In 1070, 60, 70 zone.
Let's the NQ flush here. I want to see those 9-9s. 9-9s.
9-9s.
999.
Are you looking for? Are you in shorts, Mary?
I've been in puts. So I'm looking.
No, but I mean on NQ.
I'm in QQQ puts, so I'm looking for a continuation down on NQ. I want NQ down to like 996. My stop would probably be a hold above 195, 200. I want to see a continuation here. There are some buyers sitting at 050. So kind of chilling in these until we get a move. Or if we get a hold here, that works too.
Yeah, I'm short from 135 with a stop at 120.
Oh, nice. Let's go to spot screen then, Tony. Tony.
Yeah, I want to see 50 break, a back test pre-market low, and then 50 break. ES here needs to break as well. Holding the 64.
Oh yeah, I see that 50 level. Damn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trail my stop down to 105. I was in 15, but I trimmed one on accident really early.
Oh.
Whoops.
I know. I was like, I don't even know what I was doing. I actually don't know what was happening in my brain when I did that.
Why did I do that? No clue.
I literally took off 5, and I'm like, I did it. And I'm like, what? I just made $100. Like, what was I doing that for?
That's so annoying. Oh my god.
I don't know. Maybe I just subconsciously was trying to de-risk because I wasn't 15. My stop was really tight. I had to stop at 160.
I just hope this isn't one of those Mondays or days that we just like do nothing in this area. That was
That'd
the
be
move.
frustrating.
The morning.
That would be so frustrating. Like beyond frustrating.
Yeah. Yes, trying to hold. Let's see NQ get the flush. I'd rather short NQ. ES just kind of holding here.
Yeah, ES couldn't sweep that low, just made it equal low.
Be patient. This 100 level needs to hold. And we need to get traction below 50. So we're just kind of sandwiched right now, not doing anything.
Sandwich trade.
Love those. Those are so fun.
Actually, I'm going to give this one around. I'm going to keep this at 120.
The chat, who's in a trade? Or who already took the short?
need the dump. You're right.
Come on, just
They
break
keep
that
holding
low.
it. Do you see that?
Yeah, fuck.
So annoying. Come on, do it here.
There we go. Come on.
Clear
I
it.
gotta find.
I keep seeing them absorb some of these. I need them. I want to see the flush. There we fucking go. There we go.
Yes.
Next level down. I want to see 29K. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh,
Give
I
me
want to
the
see sub
moon.
29. I want to see a mega flush.
I do too. I'm with you. I'm with you. Down to the lows we go.
Down to the lows, baby.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah, let's take that 900 out, or 29K, not 900.
I want to see breaking 900 too. What do you mean?
I always forget to record my screen. I can't. The LARP is just in front of me, and I can't grab it.
You can't even LARP right. What are you doing?
I can't even LARP right. Damn it. Is it too late to record it?
Well,
I wish there was like a replay feature on Trade so you can like go back and see. Why don't platform? I guess that'd be so much data to store. Never mind.
A lot. Oh, I need these
Flip.
30s to clear. Come on. Yes, trying to hold this 60. Get the move.
The move, you rat.
Give up, bulls. Let it go.
they're like, nope,
Yeah, no.
can't do it.
I think they'll do it.
Yeah, come on. Don't beat. If we clear 29K, I'll probably trim another 5.
I just trimmed some here. Looking for more downside here. Let's watch this 29. Oh, let's go. Oh, yes. Woo, baby, let's go. All right, I'm taking off 80% of my trade.
Oh, fire. Let's go.
Oh, that was so clean.
Fuck,
That
I wish
was
I had
so
all
clean.
15. What was I thinking?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm such an idiot.
Watch this level though. Let's see if we try to hold here. Because this would be the area that if they're gonna continue it, they better do it here. Otherwise, they're gonna try to flip it.
Bro,
Tell
this
me
could be
sayonara. Sayonara and
crazy.
just go. I want to see 870s next.
Oh,
So
fuck.
beautiful.
Yes.
Nick. Oh.
But what are you?
I can
What are
kiss
you
you,
targeting,
Jackie.
squad? Your TP is like low.
Yeah, I'm basically targeting the top of this freaking trend line that we had.
Hmm.
This is
Down at
so beautiful.
777. That's fire.
That is fire.
Let's do
That is fire.
let's do 767. I don't know if we're actually gonna get all the way down there before I get stopped out, but I think it'd be pretty funny if we did.
This was like probably one of my best trades that I've had.
Oh, dude, let's go. Let's go.
So clean. All right. I just wish we would have made the move up. That would have been like a beauty.
Yeah.
But let's see. All right. Now my stop is now just break even. I want to see this 996 hold as resistance. Continuation down to 871 is my next target. Dude, these puts went 200%. Isn't that
Oh
nuts?
my gosh. That's crazy. All right, I move my stop to 05, and then my other stop, my full stop, I'm gonna put to.
There is this chat doesn't short. Maybe Nick equals chat. Huh? Maybe. Well, I'm sure there were people in there that shorted.
Wow, ES getting a pump right now. NQ is like, nope, I'm not ready.
Oh yeah, wow, yes, damn. I might get trailed out of 5. Let's see if we clear 29K again. Actually, I'm gonna put that back.
They'll hold below 996 here.
Let's give this some room.
Dang, ES is going nuts at that level. What the heck? That was crazy. Was that a gap fill?
Just a
or-
comeback.
Oh, I see.
Oh. All right, so I got trailed out another 5, and then stop at 60. Trying to give this some room. Now I'm only in 5, but I want to see if we can catch back to wow, dude, what a pump from that.
Yep.
Yes,
comes.
it's going
Jeez.
crazy there.
Here it comes.
Oh my gosh, ES.
Yeah, did you? I've been telling you.
Oh yeah, I like looked at it for a second.
You've
and
been
then, like,
saying ES the entire time.
damn, this thing is cooking.
You're the one that now does not listen to me.
Yeah.
The curse is transferred to this bud.
Yeah, literally. Yeah.
Wow.
This is why I also love options, because you can look at your premium and be like, damn, the rest of my position can go to 0 and I'm still in profit. Like,
Yeah, fuck, that's awesome.
and that's when you can just chill, because in futures, like, you got to be careful, right? You don't want it going red to or green to red. All right, let's see. I still think we get a move down here on NQ. NQ, look at NQ compared to ES right now. Is this telling me to no? This is still we're still
dude.
As long as like 996 is the level, but like even pre-market low, you got to get all the way back up there for me to be convinced that these bulls
Watch it do it. Watch it do it.
It could. It absolutely could.
Yeah. Total points so far since overnight are like in total, including overnight, 527.5. It's already a pretty big-ish day.
Yeah, yeah. ES, you crazy rat.
Dude, yeah, that thing is
pissed if I was an ES.
disgusting. Oh my
gosh.
gosh. I'm trimming
This is
4
one of the
my
days I'm
5
glad I
SPX.
didn't trade ES or SPX, because I almost
Yeah.
looked at it. Oh my gosh. That would have been big, man. That move right there on options would have been a nightmare. That would have been a nightmare.
Fuck. That's crazy.
Still in this. I still think they drop this. There's still room.
Yeah, I agree. I changed my
Even with-
stop out of my 5 remaining contracts to 4 and then 1 at break even at 130 so that I don't get FOMO if it goes back down after stopping me out at 960.
No, that's fair.
Oh
That's fair.
yeah, come on.
Held below this 996. ES rejected 9 EMA. However, ES is just like doing its own thing at this point. But
Yes.
I think if NQ is going to get the sell, it's going to be here. Kind of like a 3-bar down setup. Or we hold and we continue higher, but I don't know.
Or that.
It either
We're
goes
just-
up or it goes down.
Wow,
That
that
literally
is
just
so
so below
wise.
any level that
Right?
I have. Like,
Teach me that, sensei.
I know, crazy, right? I got you. I'm selling a course for like 10K.
you have it 90% off.
Only for you guys. Everyone else
Okay,
actually
let's
has to
go,
pay a
let's go.
premium. So.
How is the PDF at least longer than 10 pages?
It's like 12 and a half. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that definitely justifies. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Examples or no examples? Do I have to pay extra for those?
Those will actually come for free. And I am adding like a coloring book to it. So
Oh, perfect.
yeah,
Oh, this is so much value.
I'm telling you.
A
You know how funny
coloring
that'd be if you sold a course with a PDF and in it there actually was like a little coloring section. It was like, you've made it this far, print it out and color.
I feel like 10 stars. Like
Yeah.
out of 5.
As an add-on at checkout, you can get like crayons with it, so you can actually color.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god.
Congratulations, you
it.
made it this
Hell
far. Draw a potato.
Yeah. Has nothing to do with the curriculum, but
Yeah. Take a break. You earned it.
all right. NQ, I want to see a move down here. We've got some liquidity down to like 950 where we pretty much bottomed there, but let's see if they try to hold it here. or get another leg down, because it does look like a nice bearish flag happening. Putting in. What was I trying to say? I don't use patterns, so bear flag. Wow.
Yeah, bearish flag.
Why did I not know how to say that? Okay.
Oh,
I'm like,
yeah,
I don't
give us
use
the crack.
patterns. That was my excuse. Come on, give me a 3-bar down. I want to see the clear of 50. Okay.
Ooh, are we gonna get a new low?
50 here would try to hold, but I think sellers will clear it. There we go.
There's a new low.
Yep, right through it.
All right, 871. I want to see that for today. ES, like I said, rejected the 9 EMA. Now is below pre-market low. ES is a tricky one. I think ES will kind of chop around, but NASDAQ will kind of have a trend going into these lows. But
let's see, 30 and 35.
Let's see.
Yeah, come on, baby. Somebody got to eat.
Short dad. I just
What
saw
do you
your
say?
He said, "That's a motherfucking bridge." Lines. I just imagine more bleeps. Bleeping.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. All right, this is where I'm like, okay, what are we doing?
I need to grab my coffee.
Further
It's still out there.
down.
Hold on. Watch my chart. Don't let the market do anything crazy. I'm going to grab my coffee.
I'll try to let her know.
But I'm going to be really upset if it does anything bad, so don't let it.
Just tell it. Just tell her, like, hey, I'm not gonna be here for a while, so don't.
Yeah. Just
Maybe it works.
don't. ES actually looks very bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie. This move on ES looks like it wants to rock it. But NQ, a whole nother story.
It might work its way back up. Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, if you would have told me this is what ES is doing and I didn't know what NQ was doing, I would think NQ is like also looking bullish. But looking at them side by side or independently, NQ does not look the way ES does. Like, I'd rather be short NQ right now. I'd be pissed if I was trying to short ES. Oh gosh. So we'll see. I mean, we did open up above that 9, well, let's call it 20K or 29,000 area. ES is still continuing to reject the 9 EMA. I would say ES, I get definitely perked up if we start reclaiming like 72, 73 area. We'll see. Is anyone in
What the hell, NQ?
Hold it back.
Oh, hey.
Are
Are you having your chia seeds?
No, I'm chewing on an everything bagel with cream cheese.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
Love me a good bagel.
It's a fresh one from Whole Foods.
Ooh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fresh one from Whole Foods.
Okay, so 535 points on the day so far total. Session.
What are our likes at, by the way? Because we said 1,400, no more giveies tomorrow.
Yeah, but we said 577 for the next giveaway, and we're at 589. So yes, it's time to actually run a giveaway. So that means Spud, come up with a keyword. In the meantime, chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once Spud gives you the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, and that would be really bad. So don't do that.
Really bad.
Really bad, yeah. Don't do it.
Okay.
What's the keyword?
Toss it in. Bada bing, bada boom. It is, I'll help get stream to 1,400 likes.
Okay.
Type it once, type twice.
Don't type it twice. Gonna get you disqualified. I'll participate. Let's see if I can rig it in my favor.
Huh.
All right. Let's see. My stop's gonna be above 50. So if we start clearing above 50, I'll just get out of these options. Even though I do still think there's room for more downside, but we'll see. I just don't want these going more out of, premium.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
All right, pulling it. Bye bing, bye boom.
Who's the winner?
Rohan Trades.
Rohan Trades. Congratulations. Everybody who's still typing the keyword, stop. It's not going to do anything anymore. But Rohan Trades, type something in the chat so we see you.
Congrats.
Mr. Rohan Trades. Do a little typity tap.
And dappity tap.
He says, come on. Yep. All right. Here we go, Rohan Trades. I'm going to spin the magic wheel for you. Let's see what you win. User gets... Ooh, looks like a lightning. Ooh, looks like a big lightning. Ooh,
Nice.
Looks like biggest lightning.
Whoa.
Man,
Dang.
150k lightning. Rohan, congratulations. All you got to do to claim that account is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you this free account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Massive.
Fire. Let's go, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Tony won 3 times.
Tony, you already won. Tony already went there, Tony. You're the GOAT. Thank you.
Fire. Wow. And you got really boring.
Yeah, I know. I've been watching it on Bookmap, just slowly trickling. If they're going to reject it here, I would want to see this area reject. Same with ES. Otherwise, just go back up at this point.
Do it.
Agreed.
That is agreed. I was telling Nick earlier when you walked away, or floated away, I should say. If you look at ES and NQ like separately, you would think they were unrelated to each other. Like ES looks so bullet, NQ looks dumpy. Both look so off. I would be so angry if I was trying to short ES right now. Like, what are we doing? Let's see if a back test here to 996 holds. Otherwise, this would be kind of the turning point to make another leg down.
Neff's always so positive, dude. Love it.
What did Nev say? What's up, Nev?
Just congratulated the other guy for winning the 150k.
Good job.
Lightning funded.
That's amazing. I love that.
Go.
Also Dion.
Yeah,
Dion Walker.
There's that back test trying to hold there. So I think they try to. Oh, and ES is just going. Oh my gosh.
Dude, ES.
So
wow.
annoying. I can't decide if I like her or not anymore. Because
I don't.
Yeah.
We're not friends anymore.
Bratty things like this. We're not friends. Dion, I used to look at gamma exposure. I don't look at it anymore. I just trade based off levels. How much do I pay for Bookmap? So I bought the lifetime membership, but I used to pay Close to I think it was like around 130, 140 a month, because you have to pay for the data, which just depending on whether you use Rhythmic or I use DX feed on it. And I think I pay like close to $40. It's not quite $40, but it's close to it. And then I think I pay another $40 for. Oh, it was the $40. It was like another 40 something or $50 for like the actual Bookmap program, which again, I told you I pay for lifetime now, so I don't pay for that. And then I pay for extra indicators. So I use something called Market Pulse. That is, I believe, another $40 a month. So you're looking at close to like 130 a month. There's that push down I want to see.
Yeah.
I want to see a leg down. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Break of structure now would be right here. I want to see this opening range low break and then continuation through this current day's low. ES came all the way up almost to VWAP and is now trying to reject, but this pre-market low is going to be a key area.
I'm surprised you say VWAP.
Beep bop.
Beep bop.
There you go. There you go.
Beep bop. Oh, my throat.
That's karma. That's karma right there.
Shit. Yeah, damn. I gotta wait for this cough to go away, and then I can get back into that.
Yeah, where is that from? The fires from like a couple months ago?
No. I got this when we got back from our honeymoon.
Uh-oh.
Like literally, I think I caught it like on the plane. It was really frustrating. Got off, woke up, and I started coughing. I was like, oh god.
Classic plane.
He's got the orca cough.
Yeah, I got the
orca cough. My orca cough.
It's my orca cough.
Yeah. The Morca cough.
The Morca cough.
It sounds like some different like German sort of disease.
It does.
More Russian.
I don't know why that made me think
Russian,
of it.
yeah.
But somebody in the chat recommended, when you were asking about TV shows, somebody said to watch Dark Matter. My wife and I binged it in like, I think like literally this weekend or like the last.
Dark Matter?
It's fire.
That looks.
It's actually, and the new season comes out Friday. It's like trippy. It's so cool. The story, like, for having something in the show that's so like crazy, they tie it very well together without like losing it. Like, I feel like with something that they, what's the way I did it? With the box, for anybody that's seen the show, it's such a far-fetched thing that I feel like some shows could have gotten carried away with just that, but they tied it way back. They tied it so much better into a story, and I think it's. I mean, it's a novel, but like it's so good. You gotta watch it.
Wait, it's based off a novel?
Yeah. It's like I don't know if it's like how many books are in the series, but so good.
It's on Apple TV.
Yeah,
dude, I'm telling you. Did I tell you we started Silo?
Oh fuck! Great show. We just caught up on the last episode last night. So good.
Really? How many seasons are they at now? I don't even know.
3, and this one, the third one, is the one that's coming out.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, we just started it. We're on like, I don't know how many episodes are in season 1, but we're on episode 6. And I am like losing it. I'm like, dude, we gotta start the next one ASAP.
Dude, they always end on like crazy cliffhangers.
Oh yeah, the cliffhangers. Yeah. Wait, what were you saying, Nick?
I was saying you put in some time if you're already at episode 6. Didn't you like just start?
Oh yeah, we started last week. So we've been watching probably around an episode a day. Last night we did get into 3 episodes though. So it's really good. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm also waiting to see if this freaking trade is gonna drop or not, because we're like, I don't want to use the word, but we're flirting with opening range low right now.
Oh, we're humping opening range low.
Yeah. I was gonna add dry to that.
Oh, nice.
Just
wait, who
really
said that first? Was it Joey? Oh, Nick's gone.
No, it was with Joey. It was with Joey.
Oh yeah.
We just kind of went.
Did we gaslight him into that, or did he actually say it?
No, I said it, and then I think he like went with it. That was I think one of the only things we didn't gaslight him with, but.
Oh, okay. Yeah, say we got a nice little gap. We got to get on that again today. We haven't done that in a minute.
Yeah, we do. We're slacking here.
We have to like prep it though. Like when we come in, like when he comes on, we have to like know what we're about to gaslight him into.
I know. We kind of have to like script it a little bit, but also like we got to give him enough space so he thinks it's over, and then we just shoot him with it again. You know?
Yeah.
Boom, boom, bam. Just kidding. You thought it was over.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna ask Claude to give me some fire gaslighting ideas.
I wonder if it'll give it to you. You know what? Apparently you can't ask Claude what it thinks your ethnicity is, because it won't tell you.
What do you think my ethnicity is by how I talk?
But you gotta like show it a picture of you.
Wait, hold on. Let me. That's funny. Yeah, let's see. What's my ethnicity? I'll take a live picture.
Cannot be identified.
Oh my god, I look so rough in this picture. Okay, whatever. Too bad. It's gonna be like, I don't know your ethnicity, but damn, bro, you look fucking, you look broken, dumb.
You need a rest. Let me find spas near you.
Fuck. Wait, I did dream that I was at a spa. Now that you mention it.
Really? Well, that's your sign then. What are you doing?
Huh.
Yeah. Interesting.
It won't tell me. It'd be any guess would be stereotyping.
Yeah.
Make the stereotype.
Do it. Yeah, and you keep telling it to do it and it won't do it. All right, NQ, I want to see.
Or I'm deleting your servers.
Is there a level that I don't see that's here that anyone can tell me about? Because why are we just holding? What are we doing? Clear. Clear.
Yeah, clear.
All right.
Scalpel.
Scalpel. Yeah.
Oh, here it goes.
What's up, Trades Like a Girl? Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, good Lord, just give me the dump. Oh my goodness. I want to see that 900 level.
Oh. Man, I still wish I was holding 10. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Don't do that.
I know. I'm actually glad that I got out majority of my profits like around this area, because now like if we had that move up, I would have been on ES. I would have been kind of like, damn, what is going on?
Yeah.
Because right here, like as long as we're staying below now this 50 29050, which that was my stop, I think this looks okay, but this opening range low that we're holding is not great. I want to see the leg down.
Mm-hmm.
Ayo, I'm back.
Ayo.
Ayo. Ayo.
Can we get a poll up to see how the chat is doing?
Yeah.
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 All right.
Let's see.
Not what I want to see. Because I think now they might rip this back up. Especially what ES is doing. Like, this is disgusting. Like, I want to see it now. If you're going to do it, do it now.
Nev goes, Ayo, I'm so tired of using technology. Nah, tech is cool, bro. Tech allows you to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta.
Oh wait, we got this. We brought the Stinky Nick back. Damn.
Yeah, Stinky Nick came back.
Didn't even know.
I forgot about it. Always worth the chuckle.
I feel about that. Totally fine with it. I mean, he's not wrong.
Really
He's not wrong.
Just wanted to check in.
Yo, 727 likes, kind of sick. Can we get that to 1,400 though?
Kind of sick.
Mega giveaway at 1,400.
Mega giveaway, max L at 1,400.
What?
Ooh. That'd be crazy.
If Vinny or Brett saw that, it was Nick's idea.
Yes, blame it on the spread.
It was Sticky Nick's video.
Wow.
Oh, red is ultra sticky. Wild, wild. We love you, Nick. How was your weekend? What'd you do?
Mine was amazing. I went to Greece. Because
Oh.
now we can finally talk about it. Because Chicken proposed to his girlfriend. And,
Let's go!
Oh.
And she said yes?
She said yes. She said
Okay.
yes. Obviously.
That's important.
And then he organized like us, like the best friend group basically, and her family and his family to all come over to Greece into like a really nice villa that he rented. And then we surprised her. She had no idea that we're all coming. So it was really, really cool. Yeah,
I love
it was
that.
fun. Yeah,
That
it
sounds
was cool.
amazing.
And we spent
So
like 2 days, well, technically 1 day. So we flew on Friday. We arrived on Saturday. We arrived Friday late. Then Saturday we were there the entire day, and then Sunday we flew back.
That's
Wow.
awesome. That sounds like
That was
sick.
awesome. It was really cool.
Where in Greece did you go?
Paros. It's like an island, small island.
okay.
Oh, sick.
Nice. That's
Mhm.
amazing. Congrats.
That was
Chicken.
beautiful. It was beautiful. I know, Chicken, you here?
How long have they been together for? I want like the details.
I
of the
think like
relationship.
six years ish. I think.
Nice. Okay.
Wow, that's awesome.
6 years down, a lifetime to go.
Yeah. That was nice. It was nice. She didn't expect a thing, so obviously that made it so much better.
You know what like bothers me? Because I love a good surprise. I can appreciate a good surprise because you had to work to make sure that person wasn't going to find out. And the worst is when someone's like, I have a surprise for you. Well, guess what? It's not a surprise anymore because now I'm thinking about it.
Yeah,
That's
good
true.
point.
Yeah, like a
That's
true
true.
surprise is a surprise. It's like you don't expect it, you don't know it's coming, you don't know what it is. Like, so
Yeah.
That's and especially this one was hard because there were like 15 people going to Greece. So
whoa, yeah.
like a lot of people
Whoa, that's
involved who
sick.
could have fucked it up, you know? But
Uh-huh.
nobody did. So that was really cool.
Yeah, they would have known they would have been on the chopping block. You are not invited to the wedding.
Nope. You're gone.
Oh,
Ping gone.
man. That's
That was
amazing.
nice. How was you guys' weekend?
I'm trying to remember what I did. Did I do?
Wow.
I just played the new Modern Warfare beta.
Always
Literally
forget.
all weekend. It was great.
Sounds memorable.
You did what?
Played the new Call of Duty beta like all weekend with my buddies. It was sick.
That's amazing. I was like, what did I do? And I was like, only went to go visit family in Portland. Like that's literally. I traveled and went and saw some of my in-laws, but oh my gosh, yeah, I don't know how. It was everything was so quick that it's like one of those like where did I go? What did I do? Who did I see? situations. But yeah, I went and saw family. It was great. It was amazing.
That's
We had a
awesome.
great time. Played games. It was fun. It was a vibe.
What games?
So we played a couple. There was what is it called? Scatterboard? Wait.
Ooh, I've not heard of that.
Scatterboard.
Skateboard.
Wait, no, it's not scatterboard. What is it called? I forgot. I forgot what it's called, but it's basically like you have sequence. I don't know why I thought of scatterboard.
That's
Steak?
pretty close. to
It
scatterboard.
began with an S. It began with an S. Sequence, have you played it?
No.
It's a good game. I like it.
that's
That one got fun. We played Uno. We played
I love Uno.
Spoons.
Oh, I love spoons.
Yeah, that was fun. A lot of fun. And then yeah, that was pretty much it. But hung out, made food.
Nice.
It was nice in Portland because my qualification of nice now is just not 100 degrees. So it was just overcast, and I was like, oh, this is so perfect. But yeah, it was fun.
So nice is anything but Vegas, basically.
Right now, Vegas right now. Yeah. Vegas